unlike mediumship, channeling actually does teach us to embody the spirits that we are communicating with. It's just that normally channelers are communicating with nature spirits, guides. You all have spirit guides. We're going to talk about that tomorrow. We all have connections with, again, non-physical beings, angels, same thing, right? So when we're channeling, we're basically blending our consciousness, our minds, our energy with whoever we're channeling. And currently, up to now, it's mostly been, again, spirits, like those nature spirits, like your guides. Not many people talk about channeling their loved ones in spirit, although they can and they do. Okay, most people assume that mediumship is for that. And there's a fine line between mediumship and channeling, because really we're just communicating with the non-physical realm. But with channeling, because it's more about embodying, we're about blending. I mean, that's really the emphasis, going to an altered state, blending with them, and not so much being, let's say, clairvoyant, although that can come up for sure. With mediumship, there is an emphasis on clairvoyance. There is an emphasis on mental mediumship, where you are communicating through what you hear clairaudiently, what you feel they're saying to you in your inner ear or in your inner vision, to whatever your perceptions are. So it's not necessarily about blending with them. And now Alan's saying to me also that you are not necessarily wanting to blend with somebody in spirit that isn't related to you. Like they might not even want that, because it's a little more of a personal experience, if you can understand that, because you are blending with them. And so, and he's saying to me, with a partner, it can be even more, let's say, intimate, meaning that you can have more physical sensations that you would welcome if that was your partner or your spouse. Most of us would welcome that, I'm assuming. So there's that difference. But essentially, other than that, it's the same, because you're using your psychic ability that you're born with, that everyone has. And you are able to connect, again, because you're in the non-physical. So when we teach, we tell people that your main objective really is to believe